The M18 FUEL percussion drill and drill driver with one key provides all the power and control you need for any job. Being 22mm shorter in length than the previous model, they allow access into tighter spaces without sacrificing performance. The POWERSTATE Brushless Motor delivers up to 135 Nm of torque and 2000 RPMs, providing high power efficiency under load for unmatched productivity. As one-key compatible tools, the M18 FUEL percussion drill and drill driver with one key give you the ability to customize, track and manage your tool to fit the demands of any job, saving you time and protecting your investment. Track and manage your tool's location from anywhere. If ever lost or stolen, lock it out to disable it remotely. Tool customization allows you to optimize the tool for the work you do, increase your productivity with consistent performance, and save money by maximizing accessory life and reducing damage to materials. Save up to 3 tasks to the memory of the tool and cycle through them when needed throughout your day without needing to reconnect your device. Anti-Kickback technology increases control in bind-up situations and reduces unwanted shutdowns. Adjust anti-kickback sensitivity universally or for individually saved tasks. Customize, track, and manage your tools with one key.